Scare me, Rox. Okay, good then.
Okay.
Oh. Oh. Okay, who give you that?
Mommy's eye.
Rox, show me your face, B. Scare Mama, B. Scare Mama.
I want only
Scare
spoon.
Mama.
I want spoon only. Spoon ra ako. Spoon only.
Okay, so maning mo yun na. Okay, Rox. I-open yung rice choy kay siya lang mukhaon sa butang gravy. Okay. Wow, thank you Ate Yuna. Thank you for helping Baby Rox. I-open lang choy niya. Siya pabutang nga choy.
Mami, hilig mo lang si Rox o gravy?
Yung ibog ang gravy. See?
But not you, like that, right?
And then she will just use her hands to eat. Ayun, Papa to feed you. Okay, I'll take picture again ha. Si Blessy.